Welcome to English Simple Learn.
Hello, everyone. Let's learn new words with a simple park conversation.
Hi, that's a beautiful dog.
Thank you. Her name is Bella.
She looks very friendly. My name is James.
Hi, James. I'm Emily. She is very friendly.
My dog is at home. His name is Max.
Max and Bella. That's a good pair of names.
Do you come here to the park often?
Yes, every afternoon after work.
Me too. I live in an apartment nearby.
I live close by as well. It's a great park.
I love the trees. The shade is nice.
I agree. It's very peaceful here.
How old is Bella?
She's 2 years old. She has a lot of energy.
She seems happy. I can see that.
She is. She loves to play fetch.
Max loves to play fetch too.
Maybe they can play together sometime.
That would be great.
We are usually here around 5 p.m.
So am I. I usually arrive at 5:15.
Good to know.
Well, it was nice to meet you, Emily.
It was nice to meet you too, James.
Have a good rest of your day.
You too.
See you soon.
See you. Hi. A simple coffee shop conversation to practice English. Let's go.
That looks like a great book.
Oh, thanks. It is. I just started it.
My name is Daniel. I'm waiting for a friend.
Hi, Daniel. I'm Sophie. I'm just relaxing.
It's a nice place to relax. I come here a lot.
Me too. The coffee is really good.
I agree. What are you drinking?
This is a vanilla latte. It's my favorite.
I should try that sometime. I usually get black coffee.
You should. It's a nice treat.
I might. What kind of books do you like?
I like fantasy novels. This one is about dragons.
That sounds cool. I like science fiction.
Science fiction is interesting too.
Have you read any fantasy books by Stephen King?
Yes, I have. The Dark Tower series is fantastic.
It is. We have similar tastes.
Maybe. Do you come here often?
Every morning before work. What about you?
I'm here on my days off.
Well, it was nice to meet you, Sophie.
You too, Daniel.
Hope your friend comes soon.
Thanks. I'll see you around.
See you.
Hi. Practice English with a simple first-time meeting at work. Let's go.
Excuse me, are you new here?
Yes, I am. I started today.
Welcome to the team. I'm Ben.
Hi, Ben. I'm Lisa. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too, Lisa. What department are you in?
I'm in marketing. I'm the new social media manager.
Oh, that's great. I'm in sales. My office is down the hall.
It's a big office. I'm trying to find my way around.
It can be confusing at first. Don't worry.
Thanks. Everyone seems very busy.
Yes, it's a busy time of year.
I hope I can keep up.
You will. The people here are very helpful.
That's good to hear. What do you do in sales?
I work with corporate clients. It's a lot of phone calls.
Sounds busy.
It is. But I enjoy it. Do you like social media?
I do. It's a fast-paced field.
I can imagine. Well, if you need anything, just ask.
Thank you, Ben. I appreciate it.
No problem at all.
I'll be in touch.
Okay. Feel free to stop by my office anytime.
I will. Thanks again.
My pleasure.
See you around.
See you.
Hi. Practice English with a fun cooking class conversation. Let's start.
Hi, I'm having trouble with this dough.
Let me see. Maybe you need a little more flour.
Oh, you're right. Thanks for the tip. I'm Robert.
I'm Maria. This is my first time taking a class like this.
Me too. I'm usually terrible at cooking.
This looks like fun, though. What are we making today?
I think it's fresh pasta.
Oh, I love pasta. I hope I can make it right.
I hope so too. This instructor is very good.
Yes, she is. She's explaining everything well.
What do you do? Are you a chef?
No, not at all. I'm a graphic designer.
That's a cool job. I'm an accountant.
Accountants can cook too.
This is my attempt to prove it.
Don't worry, you're doing great.
Thanks for the encouragement.
No problem. It's nice to have a partner here.
I agree. It's less intimidating.
I'm glad we're in the same group.
Me too. What kind of food do you like to cook?
I like Italian food, obviously.
Me too. Do you like pizza?
Of course. Who doesn't?
I don't know, but I love it.
It was nice to meet you, Robert.
You too, Maria.
Let's finish this pasta.
Sounds good.
Hi. Learn English with an easy library dialogue. Let's go.
Hi, is this seat taken?
No, it's not. Please, sit down.
Thanks. I'm Mark, by the way. I haven't seen you here before.
I'm Jessica. I usually study in the other room.
What are you studying?
I'm an art history major.
Oh, that's interesting. I'm taking a math class.
Math is difficult for me.
It's okay. I can help if you ever need it.
That's very kind of you.
No problem. Do you like art history?
Yes, I love it. My favorite period is the Renaissance.
The Renaissance is great. I like the sculptures.
Me too. The details are amazing.
I agree. Do you have a big test coming up?
Yes, next Friday. I need to finish this paper first.
I have a test next week too. It's on Friday as well.
Good luck with your studies.
You too. It was nice to meet you, Jessica.
It was nice to meet you too, Mark.
Maybe I'll see you here again.
Maybe. I'm here most afternoons.
That's good to know.
I'll be here tomorrow.
Me too. What time?
Around 2 p.m.
Okay, maybe I'll see you then.
Sounds good.
Hi.